Go, are you still here? ¿Cómo está mi gente? Oh, sí, okay. Okay, mi gente linda. How many Puerto Ricans are in the house? Boricua! Oh! Very little. There's so many little of us. So many little. Okay, there's going to be dancing, as you know, so I got hired here. We could bring the music out. I got hired here because I want to teach you all something about salsa. Because a lot of people think that because we are Latinos, we only come from one place, one country, but we come in different shades of brown. So I'm going to teach you all how to tell us apart. And the way you tell a Latino apart from another Latino is by the way we dance salsa. Not the sauce, the dance. For example, Mexicans. All right? When Mexicans dance salsa, the first thing they do when they jump on the dance floor is they start flapping their arms like this, right? See, you know who you are. At weddings and quinceañeras. Oh, and they all happy too. It's like, they look like little chickens. Central Americans, how many Salvadoreños are here? Woo, Salvi power. When Salvadoreños dance salsa, they move their big nalgas. It's like boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's like, yo, watch those nalgas. Thank God the Kardashians are not Central Americans. Now, Dominicans like Zoe. How about a big hand for Zoe, huh? Now, Dominicans, when they dance salsa, they dance a fast form of salsa, right? It's actually called merengue. And they dance it super fast. It's like, especially when they dance it with partners, right? It's like double time. It's like, they dance it super fast. Cubans, any Cubans here? Woo, los cubanos. Now, Cubans, when they dance salsa, they dance as though the Santeria spirits are flowing through them. And they start losing all muscle reflex, right? It's like, it looks like they're getting tasered, right? It's like, now, Puerto Ricans, see Puerto Ricans, ¿dónde está mi gente? We know how to dance salsa. Yeah, we invented it. Right? We invented it, but when we dance salsa, we dance it pretty suave and sophisticated, right? I see. But I admit, we dance it with a little attitude, ¿verdad? It's like, it looks like we're thinking, did I leave the iron on? Now, a lot of people don't realize that salsa music is blowing up coast to coast. And I've been noticing that a lot of African American brothers and sisters, they're out there dancing salsa with us. Oh yeah, in the dance halls. But the music might be jamming. It might be pumping. But they're out there doing this. Hey. They might not know the moves or the steps, but they look good. Now, a lot of white people are taking salsa lessons. Oh, no, please don't discourage this. I think this is good. I think they should take the salsa lessons. I think they need to take the salsa lessons. Because they got it in them. I mean, river dance stuff, right? If they could do that, they could salsa, but they got to take the lessons because I see this too much. Especially at parties, right? It's like, what the hell is this? It's like flashback to Woodstock. Okay, CABE, we love you. We're almost ending the show. A few more minutes and we're done.
Thank you for the salsa lesson.
4,
We've been traveling far. Yeah, everybody. Without a home, but not without a car.
Woo! Yeah.
Free. All we want are tamales for free, ¿verdad, raza? We huddle close. Hang on to a dream. We love you, CABE!
Yes!
Thanks for
CABE
coming out.
rules! CABE! Que viva CABE! Enjoy your week. Have fun in Long Beach. Be safe. And party on!